Loose leaf has always been the highest quality tea available. Brewing this type of tea on the go is challenging. We wanted to simplify and perfect this timeless method so more people can enjoy it. Our team designed Imbue to make it easy to brew great tasting loose leaf tea anywhere. We analyzed the brewing process in a collaborative group to make a creative and innovative product.
The vessel features a stainless steel strainer that magnetically connects with the lid to effortlessly steep a single serving of loose leaf tea. The body is made from high temperature resistant borosilicate glass insulated by a protective sleeve and covered with a bamboo hardwood lid. Tea can be brewed for as long as you like by flipping the vessel upside down. Members of the Engineering and Design program at Western Washington University brainstormed, prototyped, and then sold over 100 vessels to the surrounding community. The initial sale had overwhelming success, and we have chosen to push the product further. We are working with specialized manufacturers to get this product into the hands of our fellow tea enthusiasts and anyone who wants a simple, multi-use drinking vessel. The new version of Imbue will take this product to the next level with completely custom designed features inside and out.
Prepping, cooking, and serving are usually carried out by different utensils, but today we're going to do what others can't with BesoVida. It's made of food-grade silicone, acid and alkaline resistant, toxin-free and recyclable. BesoVida contains ionic silver particles, effectively suppressing 99.99% of bacterial growth. It can endure as low as -22 degrees, easily stackable so you can store all your meals ready in one place. It's a cookware and utensil, a tableware. It's also heat resistant enough to be used in an oven up to 392 degrees. The thickened wall provides better heat insulation. It's safe to hold with just bare hands, even after a couple minutes of microwaving. BesoVida can take on any kitchen roll you throw at it. The material is free of BPA, BPS, lead, and other harmful chemicals, with a wide color spectrum ranging from low-key to eye-poppin'. It's perfectly presentable on any table settings. Invite your friends over and get the party started. anti-static coating prevents dust and debris from sticking. The ergonomic curve fits in your palm like it's meant to be there. It's everything you ever want in a container. It is BesoVida.
If you're like me, you love to grill good food. Grill pins are an amazing new product that allow you to combine two great things, barbecue and bacon. There are literally thousands of fantastic recipes and videos online that combine bacon and grilling. The problem is, most of these recipes call for using toothpicks, and toothpicks do not work well on a grill. And the downside of using toothpicks goes beyond them burning to include splinters or wood fragments left in your food. Grill pins were specifically designed for one purpose, and it's not picking your teeth. They are the most effective and safe way to add bacon to your grilling recipes. The design features include constructed from one piece of food-grade stainless steel. The shaft is designed to grip and hold securely in place. They are easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Their large head holds bacon down well. They are safe and easy to see and remove after grilling. Food prep is easy and allows you to be creative. This is an amazing grilling experience, and the smell of bacon on the grill will make you a believer. Imagine your family, friends, and neighbors enjoying your grilling masterpiece.